Today I'm going to show you how to do a nozzle test pattern from a Canon Pixma MG2950. Now I did this test page directly from the printer using nothing but buttons on the front. So what we're going to do is hold down this, which is the stop button. I'm going to hold it down until the alert lamp up here flashes once. So here we go. Then immediately release. Now this will take your printer just a few seconds. And after it's chugged and whirred for a bit, you'll get this page here, which breaks down all of the colours your printer is capable of producing. And you can see its ability to do like finer detail on the black there as well. No stripes, no nothing. So that's looking good to me. If your test print isn't looking quite as good as that, you can do cleaning cycles, again, directly from your printer, which I'll show you how to do in a separate video. But hopefully yours is looking as good as mine is, and you can carry on printing. Now, I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please do chuck us a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please let us know in the comments down below. Other than that, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.